So, I finally built a PC. After years of being a console advocate, I feel like it was time to switch. Personally, there's no reason to get a console over a PC anymore. My old MacBook is beginning to die on me, and majority of games have cross-platform support. Also with this PC, I can do more video editing and hopefully post more videos. I know I said I would post once a month at the beginning of the year, but this time, I'm serious. I'm going to post as much as I can, whether it be a gaming video, mukbang video, or some vlogs with friends. I just really want to create, and I hope you guys will like them. I also will be streaming on Twitch more, and would really appreciate it if you guys can go follow me. You know, if you want. I'm not the greatest gamer in the world, but I just like having some company. The link will be down in the description. Now, moving on to my PC. I got a white fractal Meshify case with an AMD Ryzen 3600X CPU and an ASUS NVIDIA RTX 3070 graphics card. This is all being powered by a 650 watt power supply, which took me way too long to put in. I also may have messed up putting in the RAM and SSD, but we don't need to talk about that. I really like the look of this computer, with its clean and minimal style with a slight hints of RGB. I will be doing a desk setup video soon, so keep an eye out for that. I need to clean up my room a little bit. It is a little messy since I have a lot of boxes now, but without further ado, here's my PC. So how was your day, guys?
Shut up.
Bro, please stop talking.
Come on, man, I'm learning. You're making me just want to just go back to controlling. You're not helping at all, man.
Well, I mean, you're not helping literally at all, game.
I'm doing something, okay? I'm not that deadweight.
You did 200 damage last game.
That's one kill, bro. Oh no.
Good for you, buddy.
On this helicopter in front of us.
What? There's people? Oh yeah, they got out. Hey, in the wait. Oh my god.
He was coming out.
What's inside the base?
He jumped out.
Jumped out where?
Here?
Was lit? Was one shot?
Max, where'd he go?
He's one shot. Holy shit.
Broke one? Oh my god.
Down, I down one. Hey Max, come. I can't come up.
Alright. Useless.
Alright, fuck you.
Hey, come back. I'm sorry.
Okay, to be.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Hey.
Yeah, someone got out of the car.
Okay, come here, armor box. Just.
Oh, I'm about to die.
Armor box.
I'm bleeding out.
How do you revive?
In the building, armor box. What are you clowns doing?
Shut up, bro. Having
What
fun.
do you mean?
Having fun. Alright, where's
Stupid ass monkeys.
Where's
There's
Anna?
one right here. Oh!
Fire over here.
Hold it. I got self-res.
Okay.
Just come up the hill from where it came from.
Yeah, yep.
Bye.
I have no bullets.
I have to reload.
Gas is closing
He's right
in.
there.
Locating the safe zone.
Oh, there's two.
Oh, what? What down? Down.
You lose, your fight is over. Earn your way out.
He's gotta get his buddy.
One there.
Oh my god,
His
I
armor's
can't
pretty low.
move.
Yeah.
I'm safe here. I just need a crouch.
Friends, you'll be okay.
Fuck, I don't know how to crouch.
One's hit hard.
Where's the other one?
They're both in front.
Oh, one's in the gas station, one's in the gas station. Oh my god, are you kidding me?
I literally just said that.
He's around
Cracked
the
one
gas-
inside the house.
Oh fuck, yes, sniper. Wait, there's people right. Oh fuck, there's people right here on me.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, on the car.
We're getting spotted. I feel like we should get inside the zone soon. Coming to you?
Fuck, no way.
Someone's fighting a whole team.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Leon is.
I was fighting a different team. On a train. Yo, there's people to our
Snipes?
left.
Yeah,
Oh,
there's
fuck.
people sniping me from behind too.
Okay, I'm with you, but there's people to our left. And
Can you drop me some plates?
Yeah, yep. Fuck.
Chill.
Shit, I'm taking fire.
Leon, what are you doing, buddy?
I can't move. Like my move. Oh,
Yeah?
Each time I drop plates.
Yeah,
Mark the
they're
target. Enemy marked.
just let them fight it out, I guess. I don't have that much ammo. Oh, they're fighting inside.
Calm down, Max.
What?
Down one.
Down one far?
Nice.
Oh my god, I'll legion him. He's over there.
Yep. I downed another guy over there as well.
Oh yeah, he's rezzing,
Overhead.
Guy I downed. I don't know where he went. Oh, we got getting sniped from behind. Yep, from boneyard.
Right in front.
Taking direct
Go,
fire.
go, bomber.
Sniper from train station.
Leon, look the right direction, man. Come on.
Dude, there's 3 directions, bro. Chill out. Max, calm down, bro. They're everywhere.
One's right around the corner.
Yeah.
He's right here. Right behind this train. Fuck me.
Took the car.
He's like,
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
yeah, give me a minute.
What the fuck? Who's there? Car?
Leon, buddy.
I didn't know you. I can't move.
Wait,
Max,
what's
stop.
not letting you move?
Like, I'm not used to a keyboard. Like, I can't move on a keyboard.
It's
Still
easier.
here.
It's not easier when you never played it before, Max. It's like fucking telling a baby to walk for the first time.
Wait, and no, like.
It's easy to
Be
use.
quiet, I gotta hear.
Alright.
The monkey ass kids.
He's on top.
He went up the stairs,
There's RPG.
chill, go back. Oh shit! Around me.
Oh, on me, pistol.
That was so easy, this guy was so dog.
We'll come back to Longville next time.
What can I say, boys? 5k damage?
Bro, Leon was alive for the whole time. except
Shut up, Max. I literally don't want to fucking hear it anymore. What do you want me to fucking do? Oh, fucking god, man.
Put that in the video,